Hi everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate you how we can post any expense directly to Copa. So by posting directly to Copa, we can avoid the manual allocation and we can ensure that expenses like marketing, advertising or any other operational costs should reflect or immediately reflect in Copa. So we can take the report from KE24. So let's start the process. Go to FB50, document date, direct posting to Copa, expense account, debit 500, cash account 500, take the cost center, marketing, press center, double click on marketing expense, click on more. Here you can see there is no profitability segment. So we need to check some settings. Go back, go right. Okay. So you cannot go inside into profitability segment. So it means we need to check uh, a field status group. Go to FS00. Go to control data. Go to create bank interest cost account. Okay. Double click on it. Go to additional account assignment. Okay. So in this field status group, the profitability segment is suppressed. So we need to make it optional entry. Go back. SPRO. Financial accounting. Financial accounting global setting. Ledger. Field. Define field status variant. Select. Go to uh, cost account. Go to additional account assignment. Click on this. Save. Go to FB50 once again. Cost center. Double click. Click on more. Okay. Go back to FS00 to see the field status group. Okay, we need to once again we need to change from suppress to optional entry. Go back. Double click on it. Go to more. Here you can see profitability segment. But what we have noticed here, system has not drive the profitability segment by itself. So for example, if I click on continue, then it gets green. So we need to update it manually. So in order to avoid manual updation, so we need to go to the OKB9. I have already opened the screen. OKB9, company code, same account. Here you have to tick mark profitability segment. So whenever you post the transaction for this GL account, you don't need to update profitability segment manually. System will automatically drive. Click on this. You can take the cost center, save. Okay. Go to FB50. Debit, credit. Here you can see it has been drive automatically. So from next time, there will be no need to update manually. We can link with the profitability segment any expense which we need to post directly to COPA. We have to perform these settings. We have to check the field status group and we have to check OKB9 settings. Save. Okay. Go to GE24 report, account base. Here you can see it is reflecting directly in COPA report. Go back. Thank you.